Hi guys, for today's video, dito po tayo sa IKEA. This is not mall, daddy, no?
One store.
Big store. Favorite vlog. So, pasok na po tayo sa IKEA. All stuff is here. Plants. Dito na kami sa loob. Order kami ng pagkain. Kakain muna kami. So, sa akin is meatballs with potato. Yun yung rice na dito sa akin. So, mga cookies. So, makeup right here. Wine, makeup, Mountain Dew, yours too, Santino? Ito po, tayo opo sa IKEA. May malabas rito, kakain na tayo. So, andito po tayo sa loob ng waiting our order. Mine is meatballs with the potato. Will be yun yung rice ko. So, with the soft drinks. That's just ice cream. Show me na. Wow, it's so big.
It is $10.
Okay. Oh, wow. And our food is here and our Pepsi. Oh, Pepsi, but it's blue na blue siya. So, this is our food. Our food. Okay natin. So, yan yung meatballs natin. Ayan, kay happy pareho kami. So, let's eat. This is kitchen.
Yeah, no.
Monkey. Lion.
Nine is 30. How about this one? You want that? You gotta get it over here.
Sharp.
Thank you, Daddy.
Yeah, come on.
How much is that? So, bibili siya ng coffee. Coffee niya ata. What you get? Big shark. Is that big shark in the river, Santino? Punta tayo kay Daddy. Yeah.
It's only $12.99.
Alright. Chopboard. Chopboard, you call it.
Cutting board, yeah.
Cutting board. For the bathroom. He's finding for the sink for the bathroom.
One of the gray or-
Because he want to
one of the
change
gray
it.
like this.
A new one.
See that?
Huh? Gray you want? The color you want?
It's only $140.
I like the cabinets.
Oh, no.
I like sink with like this cabinet.
Yeah.
Because you have something to put inside.
Yeah, but I want gray. Like this
And you
color.
want gray. You like color gray about the stuff.
Everything white and look at this.
What?
Look how the handles are. They're all to the side like mouse ears.
Oo nga, no.
Funny, huh?
So small, no?
Look, this ain't small.
The same small. It's same color white, ah.
You can get gray like that.
You need to find a gray. When you buy, you need a color gray.
Like that. Let's go around the corner.
Bibili tayo ng flowers design for the table. Oh, this one is pretty. Same lang siya. Pretty also this one, ano? For the table. Do you have,
Guess down there.
because if not, that's the
You can
one.
always come back here. Look at everything.
Para sa ating table, what's for the ports. This for the ports. Flower. No choice. This one guys, ano siya, mag-pretty flowers but real. They will real, no? Okay, real kasi sa flowers mo. Ay, iba-ibang kulay na flowers so kaso real siya. Matay rin kaya yung fake na lang binili ko. Ay, so yun na lang na choice ko kasi fake siya. Never siya mag-dead. Kasi ito yung makakita mo. So here is always bed. So tapos na kami sa may mga kitchen. Hindi ko nabigyan lahat. Mga cabinets, mga this is for room. All stuff in here is this part is all for room or living room or for the living room. Or this is so big right here.
Whoa. Whoa. I'm gonna die.
Ito yung pinili ko kasi plastic siya. Never siya mag-good. Lagyan natin sa my porch. Then, oh, so cute. You cannot, it's small tent. You cannot lay down. It's so small.
You can, I can.
Just try. Get inside. You're tall. You are
There's
tall.
no price.
You are tall. Where's the, why there's no price?
It's the same one.
I think inside the price, I saw paper off now. You can get inside for beach? Or what is this? For
Get out and look at it, Ralph.
Go get inside sa Pino. So, ito yung candle natin. Electric
Oh
stove.
my god. I knew it. I knew that but if I did.
Balad na. Tea time. Uwi na kami dahil tapos na kami mag-UK. So, nakabili si Sir Mike ng painting. Painting, we call it. Mine is high heels. How many? 3 pieces, I think. Black, brown, and I forget the same color. I think blue. Ayan, tapos bumili rin kami ng potato. Small, tawag ba nito? Small plates for soy sauce, for anything. So, yung car ang gamit namin today. Kasi, yung truck, ipapaayos ulit yun. Nabar ang skin ko sa aking makeup. Si Sir Mark ay pugi sa kanyang wear today. Short and t-shirt. Yung mga I will show you na lang later what Sir Mike will today when I get home. Okay, so ito po yung nabili namin sa ukay-ukay, 7 pieces. Ayan, 7 pieces para sa mga soy sauce, mga ano dyan, dito, mga tiktok. Ayan, tapos, yung papagod, hindi na po nagkakaroon. Easy lang in-outfit kasi
Leave money. Leave money. Where's he going? Not again. How you change your door?
Na-arrange ko na. Sa okay-okay ko na yan. Nag-okay-okay
How
kami
you change
kanina.
your door?
So, nailagay ko na rin yung flowers natin sa my pot na nabili namin. Then, ito pinilit ko kasi para lagay siya dito. Ayun. Ayun siya. Sila na sa kariba. Ayun na yan din yung binili para sa design. Ang pinta natin yung white. Ito na, nailagay na yung design. Tapos, kulayan na din. At nalagyan na rin ng pintuan. Ayan. So, nailagyan na rin yung carpet. So, naayos na din. Tapos, yung table natin, hindi ko pa nalagyan ng prutas kasi bukas, mag-grocery kami bukas. Marami pang babaguhin si Habi dito. So, ngayon, magluluto ako ng hapunan niya. So, ito yung lutuin ko pang breakfast sa dinner niya. Ayun, tapos nilalutuan na rin niya ako ng burger. Ayan, Mamaya lagyan ko siya ng lettuce, tsaka tomato, tsaka mayonnaise, tsaka mustard. Ayan. And si Santino, ayan, kulayan na nga rin yung kwarto niya dito. Kung hindi lahat yung kulayan. Tapos yung mga laruan niya dito, ang dami-dami, nakatamak, ang bait niya. Tapos nabilihan rin siya, nabilihan rin siya ng big shark na ihahag niya tuwing matulog. Super laki. Super laki ng shark. Ayan. So, that's it. Mga ka-breadwinner. So, kaya nagpunta kami kayo sa IKEA kasi bibilihan niya ito ng sink, yung lababo ng bathroom. Tapos, marami pa siyang ayusin dyan. Papalitan niya yung wall ng bathroom. Yan. Ang dami pa niyang. Tapos, may balak rin siyang bibili ng bagong silimpan para ilagay ata dito kay Santino or papalitan ata yung sa room namin ng silimpan. Ayun, kasi tinanggal yung magandang ilaw dito na color yellow kasi hindi na tight. So, ayun. That's it. So, ngayon magluluto na ako ng kanyang pagkain. Yan nga yung labasan natin palabas pag sasakay sa sakayan. Dyan yung door palabas papunta car. Tapos dito naman door para papuntang river. Ayan, pretty kaya akong flowers na bil na napili, oh. Bagay ka siya dito. So, itong mga screen na to may mga butas-butas na maliliit kaya nakakapasok yung flies, kaya nilalagyan namin ng scotch tape na ganito. Ayan yung river. Lalabas sana ako, so magluluto muna ako ng pagkain ni Habi. Ayan, o. Lamig ako kanina dyan. That's it, bye. Ayan, lalagyan namin ng Habi dito. Carpet na. Para pag pupunta sa daan, wala nang masama. Kapag hindi ako hindi ba ako nakapagura. So, ito sinuot ko kasi balak kung saan lumabas. Kaso magluluto pa ako ng pagkain ni Habi. Sarami natin dito.
Mommy, what the heck is that? Mommy, do not open that window. Look it up in the
Tapos na naman sila. Ano? Yan, tawag niya, Roy. Ayan, sunset tonight. Dito na naman ako, mag-relax na naman ako dito. Ayan, dito na naman tayo sa river. So, yan yung falling bed ko dito. So, that's it. Bye!